Something that won't move. Close the oven. Close the oven.
Oh, I'll get it.
Go. Yo, here.
And to my cell phone.
Sarah,
Working on it. Hello? Who is this? I can't hear anything you're saying if you're talking. Hello? Good. Who is this? Tony? Thomas?
Hello?
Jamas? Thomas? This is her friend. Sarah's drinking water.
Where is everyone? Where's Jackie?
What is your name though? I don't know who you are.
One sec.
I hate hiccups.
I think you're gone.
It smells so bad.
The salt. Yeah, well, we're going to the salt lounge. That's where you are. Oh, okay. Well, we're going there soon once we get our cabs.